today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your signature in DocuSign. Whether you're looking to update your signature to better reflect your personal style or you've made changes to your handwriting over time, DocuSign makes it easy and straightforward. Let me guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by opening a web browser and heading to DocuSign.com. Once you're there, you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on it. This will redirect you to a page where you can enter your DocuSign account credentials. Simply type in your email address and password and click the Sign In button to access your account. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Look for your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select the option labeled Manage Profile. This is where all your account settings, including your signature details, are managed. After clicking on Manage Profile, you'll be taken to your Profile Settings page. On this page, you need to find and select the Signatures section. This is usually located on a side menu or within the main settings options. Clicking on Signatures will bring up a list of your existing signatures that are saved in DocuSign. For the next step, locate the Actions button next to the signature you'd like to change. Clicking this button will reveal a few options, one of which is Edit. Go ahead and select Edit. This action will open a new window or section where you can make changes to your current signature. Now comes the fun part, updating your signature. You have three options here. You can draw a new one using your mouse or a stylus. If you prefer typing, you can type out your signature and then style it with the fonts available within DocuSign. Alternatively, if you already have a digital image of your handwritten signature, you can upload it directly. Choose the option that best suits your needs or preference. Once you've made your changes, look for the Create button. Clicking Create will save your updates, and your new signature will automatically be applied to all future documents you sign using DocuSign. It's important to ensure you're satisfied with your updated signature before clicking Create, as this will finalize the changes. And there you have it. Your new signature is now set and ready to go. The next time you need to sign a document through DocuSign, you'll see your updated signature ready to use. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to personalize your digital signing experience. Thanks for watching and happy signing.